You should come to SuperInvestor and SuperReturn because they are the most efficient ways to meet a broad cross-section of private equity investors and sponsors in the world. They are the most effective venues. You can meet people who you will ultimately do business with, as well as those who will just provide a matrix in which you can evaluate everything else.
It's always great to be able to talk to people who are at the cutting edge of an industry like private equity, and this is a huge event. Everybody's here.
It's my favorite conference. I love it. I think it's small enough that you can get around and you see all the people that you need to. Lots of great GPs, but also large enough to be valuable to come to.
It's a great opportunity where everybody comes together and you can meet a huge number of key players in the industry in one place in a short period of time.
They should absolutely come along and have a go and join the panels, attend the coffee breaks and the drinks, and really network. It's a fantastic opportunity to network and meet people.
Lots of people in the industry follow this event, are here or see it elsewhere. So having your name at SuperInvestor obviously helps with the recognition of the brand.
Get in there, meet lots of people, take advantage of the different content. I think there's some great sessions and sort of roundtable events around new and upcoming themes.
I think the most special thing about this conference is the level of depth that they get from the speakers that are able to give you so many different sides of the coin. You're hearing from the top data analysts, you're speaking to chairmen of large GPs, you're speaking to some of the best operators in the world. All of this comes together in a way that's really hard to come by otherwise.
I think the variety of people that are present here, it is more cozier and more personal.
SuperInvestor is, well, everybody's busy.
Enjoyable, thought-provoking, and efficient.
Constructively frantic.
Coming together in person.
Ready.
Networking.
The hotspot.
Abundance of information.
Networking, networking, networking.